Привет, друзья! I'm Craig, and I'm American studying Russian. Um, I haven't posted a video in a while, and I'm not really gonna do one, but well, I'm gonna do this one, but this is really just to ask you, ask you if you can read this board behind me. I just got this whiteboard today. It's a panel board, and I'm preparing for the next lesson, but I'm not used to writing on a whiteboard, and I don't know if you can make out the words. I started writing words big here, but as I was running out of room, I had to start writing them smaller and smaller. So I was just going to ask you if you could let me know if you can uh, if you can see this, if you can read this, if you can read the words up here. Is there a glare from this fluorescent bulb? I'm in my garage. Do I need to move this? Just things like that. I don't want to spend a lot of time um, preparing for the next video that I want to do, and just spend all that time recording and then find out that nobody can even see what I'm talking about. So let me know if you have any suggestions, and I'm planning on showing you how a study method I created for practicing practicing forming sentences using the genitive case. And that's basically it. Just let me know in the comments. Thanks. Bye.